Welcome everyone, it's Neil here from 3D Tudor. The 3DT Haunted Village Kit Bash modular pack is out now. So if you want to start to build today, you can. And if you want the full how did you actually make this thing pipeline or Haunted Street environment, Blender to Unreal Engine 5 course is now live on pre-sale. So you can grab it for less and get ready for the full release. Hey everyone, it's Neil here from 3D Tudor, back today with a modular pack, the 3DT Haunted Village pack. So here is what the pack contains. You get 75 unique assets focused on a modular Haunted Village system. Rooftop variations, wall variations in multiple looks, doors, windows, stairs, bridges, supports and connectors. The goal is simple. You can build lots of different houses and street layouts without feeling like you're cloning the same buildings over and over again. We've also included in this pack 7 unique pre-built houses already assembled completely from the kit. These are brilliant for 2 reasons. You can drop them straight into a scene and get going, and you can also use them as a guide for how the pieces combine, so you can make your own variations quickly. Then you have the extra sets that sell the environment. A cemetery set with fencing and gates, including destroyed variants, so you can push the abandoned, broken, something happened here vibe without needing to sculpt damage from scratch. A small prop set for storytelling, shovels, pickaxes, graves, dirt piles, barrels, crates, sacks, that sort of good stuff makes the scene feel like it has purpose and really brings it to life. It's not just a collection of buildings, it's about telling a story through your environment. You'll also get foliage, including 3 cookie tree variations to break up silhouettes and give you those chunky stylized shapes that read well in a haunted setting. And delivery is straightforward, so you can download the pack. It comes in a UE5 version as well as a GLB format, so you can get it into your pipeline quickly. So here's the deal. If you want the full understanding of how to create this from scratch and assemble it in Unreal Engine 5, then pre-order the course. It's now open and it will be available within 2 to 3 weeks. It's called the Haunted Street Environment Blender to Unreal Engine 5. Links as always are in the description for the modular pack and the course pre-order. So go build something moody, and if accidentally turns into a cheerful village, just add fog, it solves most of the problems. Thanks a lot everyone, don't just dream it, build it. Happy modeling, see you on the next one.